Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable voice message transcript on WhatsApp. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone and open the WhatsApp application. Once inside, you'll see the main screen with your chats menu. Step 2. Now, look at the top right of your screen, where you'll find 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Tap on them. Step 3. Next, locate the Settings option and tap on it. Step 4. Now, locate the Chats option and tap on it. Step 5. Next, locate the Voice Message Transcript option. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Step 6. For the last and most important step, select the Voice Message Transcript option. Then tap Choose Language. Select your preferred language and tap Setup Now to turn it on instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips. Thanks for watching.